In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear bumper on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Using a car trim removal tool, remove the first license plate light bulb holder from the rear bumper. Plug the light bulb electrical connector back in. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Slide the bulb's connector through the rear bumper. Do the same for the second license plate light bulb. Brush the rear bumper retaining nuts and spray them with penetrating oil. Using a ratchet and a long 21mm socket, unscrew the nuts holding the rear bumper. The rear bumper is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. Depending on what you want to replace, a number of parts need to be removed from the bumper. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the two bolts holding the side bumper bracket. Then remove it. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the speed nuts so that you can reinstall them later. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the 8 bolts holding the rear bumper reinforcement. Unscrew the second side bumper bracket. Then remove it. Remove the speed nuts. You can now remove the rear bumper reinforcement. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Remove the last speed nuts. You can order the rear bumper used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new rear bumper. Replace the mounting clips recovered from the old bumper. Put the bumper reinforcement in place. Then screw in the 8 retaining bolts. Put the side bumper brackets back in place. Then screw the 4 bolts back on. Your new rear bumper is now ready to be installed. Put the rear bumper back in place. Put the 6 nuts back in place and then screw them back on. Slide the bulb's connector through the rear bumper. Plug the light bulb electrical connector back in. Clip the holder back in. Do the same for the second license plate light bulb. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.